How to prevent diabetes tips and foods to include in your daily life. Diabetes is a condition that is closely linked to today's dietary habits and lifestyle. By taking small steps and being mindful in our daily routines, we can significantly reduce the risk of developing diabetes. In this guide, we'll cover helpful foods and practices that contribute to diabetes prevention. Let's work together to maintain our health by incorporating these tips into our lives. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where blood sugar levels are consistently too high. Blood sugar, or glucose, increases when we eat food, and insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps regulate it by moving glucose from the bloodstream into cells. However, when insulin isn't produced correctly, or when the body can't use it well, blood sugar levels stay elevated, resulting in diabetes. Diabetes comes in two main types. Type 1 diabetes occurs when the body's immune system attacks insulin-producing cells, and type 2 diabetes results from the body's resistance to insulin. Type 2 diabetes is strongly linked to lifestyle and diet, meaning it can often be prevented by making healthy lifestyle choices. The power of leafy greens for diabetes prevention. Leafy greens are packed with dietary fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar. Leafy greens also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation, supporting insulin's effectiveness. Spinach, kale, and mustard greens are especially beneficial and easy to include in your diet. Try steaming or sautéing them to enjoy their nutritional benefits. Beans and their role in stabilizing blood sugar. Beans are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they help slow down the rise of blood sugar levels after a meal. Additionally, beans are a great source of plant-based protein, which can support overall health. Recommended beans for diabetes prevention include soybeans, chickpeas, and lentils. Try adding beans to soups and salads for a filling, nutritious addition. The omega-3 power of fish for better insulin sensitivity. Fish, especially fatty fish, contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help make cells more sensitive to insulin. This helps regulate blood sugar more effectively. Mackerel, salmon, sardines, and tuna are rich in omega-3s and make satisfying, filling meals. Enjoy fish as a grilled or baked dish for a heart-healthy, diabetes-friendly option. How nuts and seeds help stabilize blood sugar. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, specifically unsaturated fats, which support blood sugar control. They also contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation in the body. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are good choices for diabetes prevention, providing nutrition and satisfying hunger with just a small serving. How whole grains contribute to blood sugar control. Whole grains, including brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats, are packed with fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients help regulate blood sugar and support insulin's effectiveness. Try substituting refined grains with whole grains to improve your overall blood sugar stability. The antioxidant power of berries in diabetes prevention. Berries contain a potent antioxidant called anthocyanin, which can increase insulin sensitivity. They're also high in vitamin C and fiber, making them a healthy snack option for stabilizing blood sugar. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries can be enjoyed fresh or added to smoothies or yogurt for a delicious way to support your health. The effect of dairy on blood sugar levels. Dairy products contain whey protein, which supports insulin production, as well as calcium and vitamin D, which improve insulin sensitivity. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt or low-fat milk, to avoid added sugars while reaping the benefits of dairy in blood sugar management. The blood sugar lowering benefits of tomatoes and lycopene. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Lycopene keeps blood vessels healthy, supporting insulin delivery throughout the body. Tomato salads with olive oil or simple tomato-based soups are great ways to enjoy tomatoes' benefits. Since lycopene is heat-resistant, you can also add tomatoes to cooked dishes for added health benefits. How fiber in pumpkin supports blood sugar control. Pumpkin is high in dietary fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption and supports steady blood sugar levels. It's also rich in beta-carotene and vitamin E, providing additional antioxidant benefits. Steamed pumpkin or pumpkin soup is a great way to enjoy this nutritious vegetable, especially when eaten regularly. Why olive oil helps with insulin sensitivity. Olive oil contains oleic acid, an unsaturated fat that helps keep blood flowing smoothly, supporting insulin's function in the body. Olive oil is also rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that help prevent cell damage. Extra virgin olive oil is ideal for salads, vegetables, or even a light drizzle over cooked dishes, allowing you to enjoy its full benefits. Daily practices for preventing diabetes. Eat a balanced diet. A well-rounded diet that includes vegetables, whole grains, and moderate protein helps stabilize blood sugar and promotes overall health. Incorporate regular exercise. Physical activity, such as walking or lightweight training, can help lower blood sugar levels by using glucose for energy. Aim for daily movement to keep blood sugar steady. Get quality sleep. Good sleep is essential for blood sugar control, as lack of sleep can disrupt insulin function. Try to get 78 hours of restful sleep each night. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress releases hormones that raise blood sugar. Engage in relaxation techniques, hobbies, or physical activities to help reduce stress. Monitor blood sugar regularly. Regular blood sugar checks provide valuable insight into your health. If you notice any changes, you can make adjustments early or seek medical guidance. These everyday habits and food choices are simple, yet effective ways to help lower your risk of diabetes. By adopting healthy practices and incorporating nutrient-rich foods, you'll not only support stable blood sugar levels, but also enjoy a happier, healthier lifestyle. Let's make these small, positive changes together. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.